Good morning, guys. We're going to do some questions about trig ratios. This is that first homework assignment. I think ratios in trigonometry or ratios in right triangles. I can't remember exactly what it said. But here we establish the idea of they want to know how long MO is. Well, MO here is the hypotenuse. It's the hypotenuse. It's the long side. It's crossing the right angle. So they've told us there are two things that have ratios that relate to the hypotenuse. One is the adjacent leg, and one is the opposite leg. Well, clearly we're dealing with the 75-degree angle here. It's right here. That's the one they gave us. The question is, what is this? Well, it's one of the two legs, and it's next to the 75. That's the adjacent. So what ratio we're dealing with is right here. So we're dealing with this ratio. So we can say that 26 to 100, that's 0.26 as a fraction, is to the 2 that we know, that's the adjacent leg, is to the side MO. Now I'm going to call this H because MO is a bad variable. Okay, so that's our setup. Okay, so we've said 0.26 or 26 over 100 is the same as 2 to something. So now we've learned how to solve this in our algebra work. We're going to take this and we're going to multiply by the denominators. We multiply this by this, the 100s cancel, and we're left with 26H. We multiply this by this, the H's cancel, and we're left with 200. And so H equals 200 over 26. Well, that is going to reduce to 100 over 13. That's how I would present the answer. I don't know what they're going to ask for, so I'm going to go back over here and see what they asked for. Oh, they gave us a couple of different choices here. So we're probably going to have to type that in a calculator. So I'm going to whip out my handy dandy calculator. And I'm going to take 100 divided by 13, and I get 7.69. So if I go back over here, 7.69 certainly seems like my answer is going to be D. Okie dokie.